Oh man, this is great. So players. So like I told y'all on my brand new episode of The Real Tea with Double D that is available wherever you stream your podcast, honey. E. Jean Carroll's defamation trial against Frumpy to the motherfucking Dump was supposed to last about 6 weeks, honey. But when Frumpy Dump and his legal team said that Frumpy Dump was not going to testify and they weren't going to put up any witnesses, the judge announced that deliberations may have began on Monday. Well, hunty, Frumpy Dump done opened up his mouth and the judge done called his bluff, honey. Frumpy Dump was out there in Scotland. Y'all know he done opened up a golf course out there, and he done started talking about how he had to come on home so he can attend the trial. Y'all watch Frumpy Dump put his foot in his mouth. I declare, honey, what a disgrace.
Because of that, I have to leave Ireland and I have to leave Scotland, where I have great properties. I have to leave early. I don't have to, but I choose to.
Will you attend the trial, Mr. President?
I'll probably attend, and I think it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace that it's allowed to happen. It's called false accusations against a rich guy, or in my case, against a famous, rich, and political person that's leading the polls by 40 points, and I have to go back for a woman that made a false accusation about me, and I have a judge who's extremely hostile, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to confront this woman. This woman is a disgrace, and it shouldn't be allowed to happen in our country.
Look at him, y'all, standing up there looking just as stinking as he want to look. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Now, y'all know the judge warned Frumpy Dump on the second day of the trial and told his attorney to tell him to stop talking about the damn trial. But Frumpy Dump still want to fix his spaghetti lips to run his mouth and say, oh, he wants to testify. Now, the judge said, hey, you did refuse your right to testify, but since you want to play these games, honey, I got you. So the judge done extended everything, honey, and gave Frumpy Dump until Sunday to change his mind about testifying. Judge Kaplan said late Thursday that he would give Frumpy Dump until 5 p.m. Sunday evening to change his mind about taking the witness stand in his own defense to rebuke E. Jean Carroll's testimony that he took advantage of her at the Bergdorf Goodman department store in the mid-1990s and then lied about it. His attorneys must file a motion to reopen the case by 5 p.m. on Sunday for the sole purpose of testifying. He also clarified that he will not necessarily grant a motion, simply that he would consider it. Like I told y'all, Frumpy Dump voluntarily waived his right to testify, and his attorney told the judge that he last spoke to Frumpy Dump about this matter shortly before entering the courtroom early that morning. When the judge got wind of what Frumpy Dump was saying out there on the golf course, indicating that he was considering returning to the United States to participate in the trial, the judge said, okay, well, come on. Y'all, this just tickles me because I know Frumpy Dump was not expecting. And y'all know he not going to testify, but it would be a shit show on wheels if he did. I would have to call in that day. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. Y'all think Frumpy Dump going to testify? Let me know what you think. This is Double T for the Black News.